So stupid, dude. Get my music back up here. This is some good shit, bro. What's up, bro? Yeah, welcome back, indeed. Bro, the PC was so crazy. Bro, I installed the wrong drivers by accident, and when I booted up my PC, it like just didn't even work. It was so crazy. I would have been able to continue the stream, but it took too long. I restarted my PC, nothing worked. It was ridiculous. I've never seen anything like it in my life. But now I got it. I got NVIDIA SMIs working now, which is good. And this should load up instantly. Yeah, exactly. I don't know what was going on earlier. Forget me. Post this on my wall. Yeah, my computer literally broke. I don't know what happened. So stupid. I bet. You know, I want you, my darling, break away. Oh, what the fuck? What's going on? Yeah, that's way better than what I had previously. In uni, do grades just become letter grades instead of a number? You still get the number depending on like your professor and stuff. What the fuck is going on? Of course, UX Play is not working now. No, you still get the number. Look, when I had my like most recent report. This is my most recent grade report. So I mean, they give you my number, 98 whatever in grade. But like all my classes, they give us the numbers. But like on my transcripts, they just give you the letters. They don't give you any percent on the transcripts. Yeah. So like your official grade reports, you have no idea. They don't tell you the percents. Because the percents don't matter. They don't affect your GPA. Oh, you know what might be the problem? No, it's not. Okay, okay, wait, are we running .bash? ls. Yo.
It's this kid. It's this kid. That's him.
What?
It's him.
You just took that was you who
I
just
just
took
took it right now. No, it's not.
He's
creepy.
not valid. You said he was valid.
He's decently valid. He's tall. He's a good-looking Asian kid.
Okay, now you're glazing.
You recognize him, right?
Yeah.
Also, you think that's weird what I just did?
What?
You think that's weird what I just did?
Absolutely.
Also, you can have these. I don't know if you, because I know you.
Yeah, it's
have,
bad.
I know you have Air Forces. I don't know if you.
I do not want those. Under any circumstance would I ever even think about putting those on my feet.
Why?
Are you kidding me? Please get them out of my room. Donate them to Goodwill or something.
I got them for Goodwill.
Yeah.
I swear to God, they were like $13 behind the counter, so I got them. That's so funny. So bad. That's so funny.
Huh? Oh, that's the wrong, it's wrong. Oh, still not right. What was the point? I'm using bash, I thought. You wanna take it? Command not found, what? What? I didn't, these files don't exist. Oh, what the heck? Your computer just crashed too? Bro, wait, so why is NVim not working in this? Oh my gosh. I can just use Vim actually. Oh yeah, here it is, okay. So where's my custom aliases that I set? Is there like a control F? Alias, no. Alias, yeah, okay, it should be right here. Yeah, somewhere ls aliases. No, these are custom aliases. Yeah, uxplay-p500. What happened to my commands? Whoa, that's pretty cool. That's a dirty Dan. Wait, what's the command then? What did I change it to? Alt Shift? Oh yeah, it's Alt Shift. I changed it to Alt Shift. It's because you forgot the tilde at first. But that's like my current. What is that? That's my current directory. So I should be able to just slash into it, like, because that's my current directory. It makes no sense. But I guess you have to specifically put the tilde. What if I put dot? Yeah, so I think it's just because it's a hidden file. It's like, it doesn't explicitly say it. But the problem is not that. The problem is this. That this is not. It's showing up, but it's just not connecting. I don't know why. Oh, I need to check the servers, firewalls. How to check firewalls Ubuntu? It's like UFW or something. Yeah, UFW. UFW dash something status. It's just UFW status. We should all be on allow. Yeah, so what's going on? 5,000 is allow, yeah. Yeah, 5,000. This is so stupid. Shit. Oh, fuck. Huh? Oh, enable. Okay, now if I run UXY. The only problem is now, yeah, the servers that I had set up are gone now. I want all these back. This is so stupid. I mainly just want the 5,000. It's really the only one I care about. Okay. Now if I run it, it'll work. It still doesn't work. Okay. So let me unconnect from the Wi-Fi on both devices and see if that might be the problem. Restarting Wi-Fi there and restart the Wi-Fi here. Instantly connected. Oh, what the F? Wait, I didn't even press connect, bro. What's going on? I didn't even press connect. Why did it automatically connect? Okay, there we go. Yeah. Fire. What? Alright, tomorrow 8 p.m. Okay. This is Ubuntu. This is Linux. It's a lot. I like it. It's a lot faster than Windows. It's better and awesome. It's way better than Windows. It's not better than Mac OS, but it's better than Windows. If you can get Mac OS on a custom built PC, that's gonna be the day that like my life is complete. 2017. Yeah, I bet. Jeez, look how many people ask questions because today they're probably taking the exam today. But you can't ask a question like this. Like, what? You're asking them to grade your proof. What? Yeah, when will these be out? Oh, I like this. Good question. 53 good questions. It's crazy. Bro, you guys can't ask these questions. You guys gotta figure it out. What is going on? Bro, you guys are crazy. I like state diagram questions, though. Let's see. On God, literally. These people are about to take the exam. This nigga really needs extra credit. Is this from the exam? Wait, what? 14.8? PrairieLearn. Oh, for 14.8 homework. I was gonna say, this from the exam? Wait, how did he not? They didn't answer the question. They just didn't answer the homework question. They didn't get credit for it. What? Oh, I guess you can answer it again later. Oh, okay. Wait, this is not the same 14.8. A pretty wheel. Wait, I don't have that question, dude. Oh, do we get different questions? I thought all the homeworks were the same. Bro, what's going on? Okay, 14.8, uncountable. The set of circles in the plan, yeah, that's uncountable. I already knew that, though. Maybe the ordering is different? Yeah, I don't know, dude. But this is a pretty good question. I thought it was from the exam. That would be crazy. Oh, wait, he wouldn't be able to see his exam questions yet. I'm an idiot. Red, green, blue, violet, yellow, two, blue. What? This is obviously countably infinite. It might even be finite. I mean, it's a homework question, so it's a lot harder than like a normal question, but I still think that's countably infinite. Of all materials, there are any range. But this guy's an idiot. Has he not been to class? They answer all these questions in class. It's like the first thing they say every single day. My jump was like a wake-up call. I got a really bad score on my first exam in Calc last semester, and not Calc 1, sorry, but Calc next semester, and it was a wake-up call. I had to lock in. How come you had a 57 and a maximum 55% grade? What are you saying? Where? What was it? Uncountable. What was going on? This? Are you talking about this? 55.78% and a maximum 55 grade. I'm confused. Where do you see that? Assessments? Oh, that was like 10 minutes ago? Oh, I'm tweaking. I thought you were talking about this, but this was because the power went out while I was taking my exam. Maybe extra credit or something? Oh, are you talking about this class? You talking about for this? For 170 or for 128? Let me see. It might have been because no, not this one. This one, 55.78. Yeah, it's because I get extra credit because I do the MPs early. I did this one early, I did this one early, and I did this one early. And I also did MP7 early. I did MP6 and MP7 early, so... Yeah, hopefully, dude. I'm so excited. The class is gonna be so fire. Yeah. But they need to release my final grade in 170, in 128, dude. I don't know what they're doing. Induction practice. Not induction practice, sorry. State diagrams. This one. Alright, I need to do this one. I think my grade's done in this class. I have 11 board exam in 5 hours. Oh, 11, like grade 11 or something? Dude, you guys are from all over the world. I have no idea what's going on. A board exam, like when I think of board exam, like I think of medicine. Yeah, grade 11. Yeah, like American Board of Medical Specialties, because that's what my dad's had to do these board exams. You guys are all from the UK, dude. What the F? Yeah, UK A level. In 5 hours? I guess it's a different time there. 5 hours here is crazy. Let me see. I need to figure this out. So, oh yeah, I was doing this a long time ago. Here it is. So stupid. 339 is not valid. This is 110112. This is not valid. 110112. That's not valid. This is not valid. I can't do this. Oh wait, but this is still a 1. If we receive 2 1s and we're at 4, 3 times 4 is 12, plus 1, and then we get 13. So if we get 3 1s in a row, it works. But this also allows for 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. This allows for 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. Yeah, let's see if that is supposed to work. One, 2, 3, 5, right? That's 5. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 2 is 5. 3 times 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. 3 times 16 plus 1. How many 1s is 3 1s? Plus 1. 3 times 16 is 48, right? Or, yeah, 48. Yeah, it is. It's 48. So this is 49, which is not valid. And then times 3 is... Oh, this is valid. 147 plus 1 is 148. That's congruent to 5 mod 3 or 3 mod 5. Shit, that'd be nice to know. 3 mod 5. Yeah, this is congruent to 3 mod 5. Oh, is that what I said? Who's texting me, bro? How many 1s is 3 1s? I don't know what I'm saying, dude. Okay, that's valid. The problem is this has 3. This doesn't have an output for 0. Oh, if we just keep getting zeros here, we stay here. I think all these should have self loops for zeros. Wait, I gotta think about this. Wait, so should zeros even have... Should this 0 just be a self loop? Oh, this also doesn't have an output for zeros. Wait, let me do this input. Okay, so we start with a 0. We get plus 0 equals 0. And then we get a 1. Wait, no, we get a 0. So we get a 1 here. We get a 2. Oh, no, that's not how that works. 1, 2, we get 6, right? No, what am I talking about? 5. And then we get another 1. 5, 1, 16. 16. Oh no, it doesn't. The 0 is not a self loop. Because 3 times 16 is apparently valid. I'm not going to redo it, but apparently that's valid. Okay, so what if we get a 0 here? So we're at 2, and so we're at 5 here. What if we get a 0? 3 times 5 plus 0 is 15. And then 3 times 15. What's 3 times 15? 45. Yeah. Wait. 3 times 15 is 45. Yeah. So we need, for that to work, so we need a 1. We need a 1. We need a 1. And then we get 3 times 15. Oh no, we don't need a 1. That's 46. What's 45 times 3? 135. Okay, 46 times 3 equals 138. Okay, yeah, we just need a 1. A 1 would make it valid. And then we need a 0. 3 times 46 plus 0 equals answer. So 0, 1, 2, and then once we receive a 0, fuck, this is too many states. Okay, once we receive a 3, a 2, okay, once we get here, we want to, if we receive a 0, we want to go to somewhere where we get a 1 and then another 0. Fuck. Somewhere where we can get a 1 and then another 0. Gets back to the start state. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fuck. Okay. I'm just gonna delete this one. Okay. This is gonna be our 7th. Okay. So once we get a 0 here, we go here. And then what do we need now? We need a 1 and a 0. Oh wait, this doesn't work. Can this just go back to the start state? I mean, I imagine it can. I think this can just go back to the start state. If we get a 0 here, we can go back to the start state. The only problem with going back to the start state here, like, it allows us to get a 1 and a 0 and go to final. But it also allows us to get a 2 and a 2. Like, does that work? 3 times 15 plus 2 is 47. 3 times 47 plus 2. Oh, that does work. Because it equals 143. And that's congruent. Okay. Well, that works. Okay, so some, okay. The problem is if we get a 1 from 1. Okay, so 1, 0, 2, 2, 1. Okay, this also doesn't have a 0. So this we need a 0 here. This we need a 1 here. This one has a 1, a 0. This one needs a 2. This one needs a 1, 2, 0, nothing. Yeah. Okay, so 1, 0, 2, yeah. This one needs a 0. This one needs nothing. This one needs a 2. This one needs a 1. Okay. So imagine these states are going to be the same, probably. 1, 2, 0. Yeah, so this needs a 0. So we receive a 2 and then a 0, what happens? 3 times 0 plus 2 equals 2. 3 times 2 plus, what am I saying? If we get a 0 from here, equals 6. How's studying going? It's going well. Thanks for asking. Okay, 3 times 6 is 18. And that's congruent. Yeah, 18. So we need a, if we get a 0, if we get a 2 here, we got to get 2 zeros, and then we're good. So where can we go? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6. Okay, so we can add another node here. This is our last final node. For if we receive a 0 here, then we can receive another 0 and we're done. So erase this. 1, 2, 0. Now I need another. This is another node I need to fucking maintain. So I need a 1 and a 2 here. Gosh damn it. Okay. 6 and a 2. So if I get a 2, okay. So how do we get to this input? This is after 2 1s. Oh no, a 1 and a 2. This is after a 1 and a 2. So after we get a 1, we get 1, 1. We get 1 and 2. 2. 3 times 1 plus 2 is 6. But why do I keep doing that? 5. 3 times 5 is 15. We were just in this situation earlier. Let me go back. Where'd I go for 15? Zero. Okay, this is where I'm about to go. We have 0, 1, 2, and then a 0. We get 15. Okay, we go back to the start state. If we receive a 2 here, we go back to the start state. Right? Wait. Let me go back to make sure that was right. 15, 0, 1, 2, 0. Oh, 0. Oh, wait, no. 0, 1, 2, 0. 0, 1, 2, 0 is 15. Yeah, so we go back to Q. When we get 15, we go back to Q. Okay. Oh, but that's if we get a plus 0. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. If we get a plus 0 here, we already go back to the start state. I'm such an idiot, dude. I need to be doing, if I get a 1, a 2, fuck, okay, I'm stupid. Okay, so the 0 is good. It works on 2 folds. It works for the other direction and this direction. So that's perfect. 3 times 5 is 15. Plus, what are we saying? We get a 1 and then a 2. Oh, I'm so dumb. Oh my gosh, what the fuck is wrong with me? Look, I'm saying if we get a 1, 2, and then if we get another 2. So I already knew this. This is 17, not 15. What's 3 times 17? 51? Is that right? Bro, what's wrong with my calculator? Yeah, 51, right, okay. So what do we need? We need plus 2 and then we're done. And then we get 53. And then that's congruent. So we need 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. So So we just need another 2. So I think we should go here. I think we go here. Because this is 1, 1, 2, 2, 2. 1 and 3 2s. Okay, but also what if we get here and we get a 2, and then what if we get a 0? Okay, so we go 2, we go 1, 2, nope, that's wrong. Okay, we get 1, 2, 1, 2, 2, so 2 2s, and then we get a 0. 3 times 17 plus 0 equals, what do we just have, 51? 51, 3 times 51 plus 0 equals, wait, right, is this right? No, we've already received a 0, so this is the next 0. So this is supposed to end on a final state. What do we get here, 3, 15? Yeah, that works. Let's go, that works. And so if we get any amount of 1s between that, it works as well. So now we just have to figure out this one and this one. Oh my gosh. Okay, 1, we just need a 1. So how do we get here? We already got a 1. So, fuck. Okay, come on, let's do this. I hate this, bro. This is so unnecessarily complicated. This better not be on our exams, bro. Okay, 3 times 0 plus 1 is 1. So we're here, and we receive another 1. So we're saying 3 times 1 plus 1 equals what? Equals 4. 3 times 4 is 12. So all we need is a plus 1, and we're chilling. Plus 1 is 13, and that's congruent. So 1, 1, 1 is essentially what we're trying to say. So we get 1. Is there any 1s that lead to the final state? No. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Gosh. What if I add a 1 here? We're gonna test this in a second. Oh, this is still not 3 1s. Oh yeah, it is. 1, 1, 1. Okay. So this is 3 1s. The only problem though with this is that we have now we have 2, 0, 1. That's not gonna work. I can already tell that's not gonna work. Unless I'm wrong. I hope I'm wrong. Please, for the love of God, be wrong. 3 times 2 is 6. Plus 0. And then another 1. It's 19. That doesn't work. Bro, stop trying to send text messages, Siri. Stop. Stop. No text message, Siri. Stop. Such a stupid woman. No, there's 100% a more efficient way of doing this. What's the problem? I'm trying to draw a state diagram. Here's the problem. You can pause it if you want to read it. I'm gonna scroll back down because I need to think about this. Okay, 13 is not congruent by far. Fucking piece of shit. Okay, so this can't be possible. So there's not much more efficient way because the most efficient way you can possibly do it is in 5, and so I have 7. First math class in college was calc. Was calculus. Okay, let me see if any of these. We can try to clean it up, but I was gonna clean it up. Yeah, it was pretty easy. I was gonna clean it up after. So if we get a 1, wait, what are we saying? Oh, this doesn't have a 1, that's the problem. Okay. If we get a 1 here, then we just want, I just had it written, go back. We want 3 1s to work. 1, 1, oh. Bro, stop trying to send text messages. Please. I should just turn off announce notifications, right? Yeah, I'm not really confused about the divisibility part. It's kind of just like I'm trying to build this state diagram. It's really the only problem I'm having. It's that, once I get a 1 here, like, I need another 1. But the only problem is I don't have any 1s that lead to the final state right now. So I have to reassess how to do this. And I don't think the self loop works. 0, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0. I think I just added this self loop for no reason. Pretty sure this is one of the self loops I just added for no reason. I need to go back and see. I need to go back in time. Bro, come on. Yeah, okay. Let's see. Oh wait, no, the 0, where's the self loop? It's on 0. Yeah, so it is there. Oh no, the self loop on 0. Wait, when did I add that? Did I add that, like, seriously? No, see, I was just adding self loop. I was adding 0 loops on all of them. All zeros here. This doesn't have an output for 0. Oh, if we just keep getting zeros here, we stay here. That's not true. What are you talking about, kid? Dude, I don't know what this kid's yapping about. I don't think that's true. Okay, let's try it. Let's get a 0 and then another 0. Oh wait, shit, he's right. If I just keep getting zeros here, I just stay 0. Oh shit. No, the kid was right. The kid was right. If I just keep getting zeros here, it's just the same thing. Okay. I see you, kid. That's not true for everyone, but for that one at least. It can't possibly be easier to do it with 5 states total, because I don't know how to do it with 5 states total. I don't even know how to do it with 7 states, so it's not possible that I would be able to do it with 5 states. Okay. Let's save it. Can I go back to this answer? I don't think I can go back to this answer. Yeah, well... Oh wait, I can duplicate it and then, yeah, clear everything. Okay. As long as I don't save it, it won't overwrite. Okay, so this is our Q state. Yeah, I'll do it with 5 states, buddy. Okay. Yeah, no, that would be fucking crazy. Dude, I'd be building 40 state diagrams. Okay, let me think about these 5 states here. Okay, so we know that. Should we just build it completely differently? So we'll do this one 0, this one 1, and this one 2. Even though that's kind of the same thing that I just had. I should really change it up so that okay, we'll do this one as 0. We'll change it up so that like it requires me to rethink about it, so that I don't just like just copy and paste what I just had from my memory. Okay, well I know I can copy and paste that, right? Because yeah, no, I can't do that for this one. I usually can do that, but I can't do that for this one. I can't conceptualize it well enough. It's like, what do the states hold? I have no idea. They hold the number that we just received. I don't know, dude. What information should the states hold? Please tell me. I'm very curious. Bro, all the other questions, I know that I can answer that very easily. I'm like, oh, I'm keeping track of the numbers of 2s, or I'm keeping track of the number of 1s. But this question, I can't figure it out. That's the best thing. Yeah, so don't give me a hint. I'll figure it out. Okay. Yeah, like right now I'm just testing inputs and just like iterating, which is like not ideal for the exam because it's gonna take forever. But we know if we receive a 2-2, then we're chilling, because it's 6. Yeah, shit. Okay, fine. I mean, I'll ask chat. How did I do this earlier? I mean, I have the question in here. I'll just erase all this shit. Okay, let me see this. What? Wait, what? Oh shit. Okay. So let me rename the states. If we receive a 1, then our current number is going to be 1. And that's 1 mod 5 is 1. If we receive a 2, then our current number is going to be 2. 2 mod 5 is 2. If we receive a 0, our current number is going to be 0. 0 mod 5 is 0. Wait, what? Okay, so then we can just delete that, right? Because this is supposed to be 0, so this can just be a self loop here. Oh, see, we're already making it. We're already making making improvements. Okay, so this is gonna be, obviously here's when we get to mod 3. So this has to be 4. Okay, so how do we get to mod 4, or like congruent to 4, or 4 mod 5, essentially? So this is gonna be 4 mod 5. Any number who has a remainder of 4 mod 5. So how do we get there? So this is setting, because the value is actually going to be 2, and 2 mod 5 is 2, and then once we get another 2, then it's 6. So then, and 6 mod 5, or no, well, it's 18. Wait, it's 18. Wait, if we receive another 2, how's it 18? Wait, if we receive 2 2s, does that work? 2, 2, 2, what's 2? This is 3 times 2 is 6. Oh, it's not 18, it's 8. Yeah, so this will be 6 plus 8, or 6 plus 2 is 8, which is base 3. College physics, bro. What type of physics? Wait, I need a little bit more help here. Oh, it doesn't even give me any answers. Good, okay. Hence, each state in your diagram corresponds to one of these remainders, transitions. For a given state, i.e. current remainder or everything in there. Up by a power of 3. Oh. Oh, it's supposed to be currently generating. I don't know what happened. What's going on? Is this like, is my computer like breaking? %. Hello? What? OBS? Yeah, but that's good. That means that idle is at 22%. Oh, but that's because I have software encoding. Newton's law of inertia. I think we did that already this year. I mean, we did moments of inertia and rotation stuff. Memory. I still have 30 gigabytes left. What about NVTop? There we go. See, NVTop's working now. Where's my GPU? 9%. Memory's at 5%. Yeah, I don't know why chat wasn't working. (39°C). Yeah, that's normal. Oh, how do I quit? Q? Okay, now it's just like giving me the answers, so let's not do that. Okay, so each edge we go will increase the number by like a factor of 3. Okay, so like see, like this step here will increase by like 2. Increase by a factor of 3, but it's like 3 times 2, so it'll be 6, and then now we got plus 8 because we have a 2 here. If we receive a 1, now we're mod 1. or we're congruent to 1 mod 5. If we receive, I'm still thinking about it like as if we receive inputs from here, but from being congruent to 1, if we want to be congruent to 3, so this is gonna be 3 times 1, obviously. We get 3 times 1, we get 3. Oh, 3 zeros, so 0 here. 0 here will be congruent to 3, obviously. A 0 here will be congruent to 3. But a 1 would be, now we would be at 4, right? So if we received a 1 here, we'd be at 4. We'd be congruent to mod 4, or to 4 mod 5, I think. Right, if we received a 1, then we're at 1, 3 times 1, we receive another 1, now we're at congruent to 4. Yeah, now we're congruent to 4 mod 5. The only person that had high functioning autism and made it as a physicist is Jacob Barnett, who studied at the University of Indiana. Really? That's crazy. Good for him. Okay. So now we're congruent to 4 mod 5. How do we want to become congruent to 3 mod 5 from here? So we're at 4, so we're at 12. Our value is going to be 12. What is 12? Oh, so the second we make another step, we're going to be congruent to, look, see, because we're going to be at 12 here from 3 times 4. So 12 is congruent to 2 mod 5. So we just go back to the 2. We just go to the 2. Oh my gosh, this is so easy. Now we just go back to the 2 once we receive the 12. Oh, but what do we need to have a 0? A 0. If we receive a 0 here, we just go back to the, we're just congruent to mod 2 now, or 2 mod 5. Okay, so that's pretty easy. But if we receive a 1, then we're at 13. And hold on, let me make this a 5 again. Oh, and 13 is a valid. This is congruent to 3 mod 5. Okay, so if we get a 1 here, then we just finish. If we get a 1 here, we just finish. 13 is concurrent to 3 mod 5. Okay, and if we get a 2, 12, we're at 14. 14 is congruent to 4 mod 5, so we just stay here. If we get a 2, we just stay here, right? So we only transfer states when we become congruent. We only transfer states when we change congruency, right? Because 3 times 14 plus 1, exactly. So no matter what we do, yeah, oh my gosh, this is so great. Okay, exactly, so it works. All right, yeah, 14 is congruent to 4 mod 5. Okay, so we're done with that node. Okay, let's go over to node 2. If our first input is a 2, wait, I should just do this by congruency up here. I don't even need to do this down here. Let's just do it up here. Is congruent, is 1, this is 1. So right now we're congruent to 3 mod 5. But if we receive a, but that's not what we're interested in. Wait, no, we're not even interested in 1. Wait, this is supposed to be a 2. This is supposed to be a 2. So now we're at 1. We're congruent to 1 mod 5. Wait, what? 3 times 2? Oh, wait. Yeah, if we receive another 2. Wait, what? If we receive 2 2s? Oh yeah, because we get +2. Yeah. Okay, but if we receive a 1, if we receive a 1, then we're at 7, so we're at 2 mod 5. So we'll just go to, or we'll just stay here. If we receive a 1, we just stay here. If we receive a 0, we're at 6. 6 mod 5 is 1. So now we go to 1. If we receive a 0 here, we go to 1. Okay, we're done with this node. 0, 1, 2. Okay, now we just have this 1 here. We have 1 and 0. We just need to know when we're congruent to 1 mod 5, if we receive a, wait, hold on, let me read it. Okay, so if our first input is a 1, then now we're at 4, now we're congruent to 4 mod 5. But we're saying that we get here and we receive a, wait, what am I saying? Congruent to 3 mod 5. But we're assuming that we get a, what, a 2 here? 1, 0, 2. So if we get a 2 here, 3 times 1, this is 5. This is 5 mod 5, so this is 0. So if we just get a 2 here, we go back to the beginning. If we get a 2, we just go back to the beginning. Okay, I think I'm done. I guess thinking about it in 5 was easier. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. And yeah. Invalid? What's going on? States missing outgoing transitions. What? This is not supposed to have an outgoing transition. On the exam, this wouldn't count as an attempt. Because you would get like minus points for attempts, but like if it's invalid, then it doesn't count as an attempt. But states missing outgoing transitions. But it says we stop. It says we stop. Doesn't it say that? The machine should be in a final state whenever the number is read so far is congruent to 3. So I thought it was just stop, but I guess we just make self loops here. This is easy. Fucking incorrect, dude. Fuck. I thought I was cooking. Your diagram does not match the direct state. Here's some strings which reach an end state but are not desired set of strings. For instance, here's a sequence 2, 2, 2. 2, 2. What? 2, 2 should be the end state, bro. What are you talking about? Oh, I'm an idiot. What am I doing? So you don't self loop. You don't self loop. Oh my gosh, I'm so stupid. I don't know what I'm doing. I actually have to think about. So we're gonna be congruent to 3 mod 5. Dude, what am I doing? We're gonna be at this state. We're gonna be congruent to 3 mod 5. So it doesn't matter what the input is. We're gonna be congruent to 3 mod 5. So if we receive a 2, let's just say this is like 3 times 1 plus whatever. If we receive a 2, then now we're going to be at 5 mod 5, which is 0. So we go back to the beginning. If we receive a 2, we go back to the beginning. Because then we're at 5. I'm such an idiot. They don't count the other one either. That doesn't count as an attempt. I wasn't thinking. If we receive a 1 here, we get a 6. Wait, no. What am I saying? If we receive a 1 here, we're at 4. 4 mod 5. So now we go to 4. If we receive a 1, we go to 4. No, I want it to be this way. If we get a 1, we go back to 4. 3 times 1 plus 1 is 4. If we receive a 0, we stay here. If we get a 0, we stay here. Now I think we can save and grid. %, bro? What the fuck? Okay, wait, let me see what's wrong. Here's some strings which reach an end state in your diagram but are not desired set of strings. Here are some strings from the desired set which do not reach the end. Wait, what? But this time we weren't... It's all good, bro. Wait, so this sequence was working before. Wait, these don't reach an end state? Why do these not reach an end state? I don't understand. 2201. 2201. Why would that reach an end state? We're not... Okay, wait, maybe I actually have to think about this a little bit more. So if we receive a 2, we're at 2. We receive a 2, 2, 8. What are we doing? 2201. 2201. 3 times 8 plus 2 equals 26, right? 3 times 26, 60, 78, plus what? What are we trying to do? 78 plus, oh wait, what am I doing? It's not 3 2s, it's 2 2s. It's 2 2s. 2201. Wait, can I write this string here? 2201. Okay, 2201. 220. This is 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 24. Oh, it's still 3 times 24. Oh, it's not the same thing. 60, what? 72? Plus 1 is 73. Yeah, 73 is congruent. Mod 5. 3 mod 5. Okay, yeah, there's congruent, but how do we not get there in the states? If we receive a 2, we go here. A 2, we go here. Wait, are these not right? 2 is congruent to 2 mod 5, of course. 8 is congruent to 3 mod 5, so we should be on the final state. 24 is congruent to 4 mod 5. Wait, is that the problem? Is we get 2, 2, and then when we get a 0, we're not going to 4 mod 5. Wait, why do we go to 0? Why do we go to... So if we receive a 0, we go to 4 mod 5. If we receive a 0, we get a 4 mod 5 apparently. And then now that accepts if we get a 1, we come back. 2201. Look, 2201. How did I not do that? Why did I put a 0 self loop here? Okay, whatever. Now I gotta clutch up OD. Okay, let's do a couple more strings. So we have 2220. 1001 1020 02201. Okay. We gotta test all these strings. Gosh damn it, dude. Okay, so we have 2 2. This is a 2. No, dude, spend whatever you want. Two, 2, 0. Okay. 24 plus 2 is 26. 26 times 3 plus 0 is yeah, this is 18. 68, 78 is congruent to 3 mod 5. 26 is congruent to 1 mod 5. So when we receive a 2 and then a 2, yeah, it's these. I need to think about them more. I guess I just was presumptuous with them. Okay, so 2 2, and now when I receive another 2, I want to go to 1 mod 5. I want to go to 1 mod 5 if I receive another 2. And now that allows me to receive any zeros or whatever I want. Okay, so we're done with this. These, and these. Okay, so we receive a 1, we get 1, is congruent to 1. We get a 0, we get a 1, we're at what am I talking about? We're at 3, which is congruent to 3. So a 1, 0 should work, of course it does. 3 is 9 plus 0 is, what is this, 4 mod 5. And then 9 times 3 is 27, plus 1 is 28, which is 3 congruent. Okay, so this is why it's not working. So we receive a 1, yep, we go here. We receive a 0, we go to the end state, of course. We receive another 0, we're going to 4, yep, that's right. We receive a 1, and we're back at 3. Oh, okay, I already fixed this. I already fixed this string. 0, 1, 2. Oh, I fixed these. Okay, so I think, okay, 69%. Okay, now we're doing a little bit better. Okay. I'll be fine with a 70. Yeah, I'll be chilling with a 70. It's only one question of the exam, so it's fine. But 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, and then these are not supposed to make it. 2, 2, 1, 1, and 1, 0, 1, 1. Okay. So when we receive a 2, another 2, a 1, and then a 2, and then another 2. Oh, why do I have a self loop for 2's here? Maybe this is incorrect. Let me follow this. So we receive a, what is the first? A 2. We had a 2 here, 2, 2, 2. We receive another 2. We're at 8. This is final state, of course. 8, 24 plus 1 is 25. So we go back to the beginning. Wait, what? We receive a 2, another 2, and then we receive a 1. We're supposed to go back to the beginning. But doesn't that just like completely negate what we just did? Wait, what? Didn't I just make this 1 here? Didn't I just put that 1 there? What were my old strings? Oh my gosh, this is so slow. 1, 0, 0, 1. 1, 0, 0, no. Oh shit. So that 1 is incorrect as well. I didn't change that one yet. So when we get a 1, we're supposed to go back to the beginning here. When I get a 1 from this state, we're supposed to go back to the beginning. So I think this should fix it. Yeah. Okay, the only problem I had was that my final state, I forgot to put the things on it. And then when I put them on, I just threw them on there and I didn't think about it. That's why. The only thing that I changed from this answer that was invalid, ungradable, the only thing that I changed was this edge here, this edge here, and this edge here. So essentially, once I thought about it, once Ace Piggy put me on and I thought about it, I got the answer correct. I just didn't have the 3. I thought it wanted me to stop, right? Because it's like the machine should be in a final state whenever the red is so far. Like it says so far is congruent. So I was like, okay, so far, so we just stop. But we don't stop. Yeah. That's nice. Okay, I'm gonna solve one of those again tomorrow, so hopefully I just remember everything that I just like learned just now. But I mean, that makes sense. I mean, it's kind of cool that well, not cool, but it's good that I figured that out without like cheating. So like I actually learned it. That shit was hard though. Let me clear this one so that it's already cleared. Okay, good. First time every time. Yeah. I mean I'm counting that as first try, dude. I don't care. I didn't know that it wanted me to continue putting edges on the last node, and then I just threw them on there. I wasn't thinking. Yeah. Let's go, dude. That was so light. Yeah, once I read this and once I read this message right here, that was so fire. Then I actually understood what I was doing. I was so stupid, bro. I was trying to do essentially permutations. I just went over every single possible output for each node, and I kept putting them all in, and that just makes no sense. That's stupid. So I guess 5 is the ideal. If you don't do it in 5, then it's not going to make any sense, and you have no idea what you're doing. Essentially. If you do 7 states, you have no idea what's going on, because there's no reason to your states. You're just throwing states on the ground for no reason. There's no reason. But if you have 5, the 5 is 4, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, which are all possible congruencies mod 5. Yeah, that's so stupid. I was being so stupid. Thank you, Ace Piggy, bro. 30 states? I mean, you could, but it wouldn't be no, that's crazy. 30 states would take you 10 years to figure out what the fuck is going on. You're by the time you're following your inputs, you have what, 29 edges, so you're getting your 29 inputs. Bro, I hate to hear that, George. Don't say that. Anyone can become a physicist. What are you talking about? Look, that was one of our questions. They talk about this all the time at my school. Look at this. This is exactly the survey you need to answer, bro. Look at this survey. It's where's it? I put strongly disagree on it, so I'll be able to find it. Look. Oh, no, that's wrong. That's not it. No. Wait, maybe it wasn't in this survey. It was a different one. Okay, wait, hold on. Hold on, George. I'm about to put you on. Let me find the survey. Maybe it's in the no, it wasn't in the pre-lecture. It would have been the checkpoint or something. No. Then maybe in this homework. Yeah, survey. Look, read these questions, bro. I won't get better at physics if I try harder. Strongly disagree. George Phillips, we strongly disagree. Even if I were to spend a lot of time working on difficult physics problems, I can develop my intelligence in physics further. Oh, I cannot develop my intelligence in physics further. Strongly disagree. Strongly disagree, George Phillips. I could never excel in physics because I do not have what it takes to be a physics person. Strongly disagree, George Phillips. We strongly disagree. It's not true. If I often make mistakes on physics assignments and exams, I would think that maybe I'm just not smart enough to excel in physics. Strongly disagree. I could never become really good at physics, even if I work hard, because I don't have the natural ability. Strongly disagree. Look, let me put you on. Richard Feynman. Look, if you look up greatest physicists of all time. Okay, come on, I can't even type. Physicists of all time. Richard Feynman. Look, right here. Greatest physicist of all time. Let's go listen to what Richard Feynman has to say about studying physics. Let's do this one. Any of them.
You asked me if an ordinary person, by studying hard, would get to be a...
Greatest physicist of all time, George Phillips. Lock in, listen.
You asked me if an ordinary person, by studying hard, would get to be able to imagine these things like I imagine. Of course, I was an ordinary person who studied hard.
It was ordinary. Anyone can become a physicist.
It just happens they got interested in this thing, and they learned all this stuff. They're just people. There's no talent, a special miracle.
Wait, hold on. We're gonna restart. My shit's like echoing. Hold on. Restart, because we gotta lock in George Phillips. You gotta listen. You gotta really listen. Let the words seep into your brain.
You asked me if an ordinary person, by studying hard, would get to be able to imagine these things like I imagine them. Of course, I was an ordinary person who studied hard. There's no miracle, people. It just happens they got interested in this thing, and they learned all this stuff. They're just people. There's no talent, a special miracle ability to understand quantum mechanics or a miracle ability to imagine electromagnetic fields that comes without practice and reading and learning and study. So if you say you take an ordinary person who's willing to devote a great deal of time and study and work and thinking and mathematics and time, then he's become a scientist. The great difference in what goes on in the head when people think they're doing the same thing. And so it struck me, therefore, if that's already true at the most elementary level, that when we learn the mathematics and the Bessel functions and the exponentials and
I don't know what the hell he's saying anymore, but essentially, you study physics, anyone can be a physicist. Right, George Phillips? I don't want to hear you ever say that you're never going to be a physicist, even though you really like it. If you like it, you do it, no matter what it is. Richard Feynman is him. He's one of the greatest physicists of all time. He created a bunch of laws that we use to this day. To this day. And he says that anyone can become a physicist. You just gotta work hard. That's all you gotta do. Anyone. You might have to work a little bit harder than other people who get it before you do, but it doesn't matter. All you gotta do is just put in the work and you'll become a physicist. If you want to be a physicist. Feynman did cook with that one. Feynman's him, bro. I'm trying to tell you guys. Feynman's him. Pussy functions. Yo, what? What discrete math are you taking? I'm taking CS 173. Building blocks for theoretical computer science. Where do you want to go to grad school? I want to go to Oxford. I want to be a Rhodes Scholar and go to Oxford. Yeah, Feynman was, bro. Bro, he used to be, bro, Feynman, look up Feynman before physics. He was just a random ass guy. Oh shit, wait, no, he was low-key mathematician. Bro, he was just a normal guy, bro. This is him. This is him. He's him. Greatest physicist of all time. How did he work on physics? He just worked hard, bro. He's him. Yeah, so moral of the story is George Phillips is becoming whatever he wants to. Whatever he puts his mind to, he's gonna become that. Bro, oh, you know what? I'm confused why my physics exam hasn't been graded yet, bro. I'm actually about to freak out. Hold on, I'm gonna look at see if my physics exam's graded. Oh, I turned it back on. Okay, good. Grade. Oh shit. Grade book. I mean, they'd probably send an email out once it's graded. They need to grade my calc exam too, bro. Shit needs to get graded ASAP. If George, if you're still here, do you think you can become a physicist now? Has Richard Feynman changed your mind? Because if he can't change your mind, I don't know who the hell. No, I'm kidding. But he can. He definitely should change your mind. Leonard Susskind was a plumber before he started studying physics. Let's look him up. He's probably also him. Has a weird ass last name, but bro, look at this. He does not look like a physicist, but he is a physicist. Look at all these books. Oh, these books actually look pretty interesting. Special relativity. I'm taking that next semester. Wait, hold on. Before we get started, so that we don't. Wait, should I buy this book? Oh crap, I think I'm gonna buy this book. Hold on. Let me okay, wait. I bet Susskind has some motivational videos. Wait, what was his name again? Leonard? Oh crap. Look, Leonard Susskind and Richard Feynman in the same title. This is gonna be crazy. No, I mean, he's not even talking about anything cool. Bro, Feynman's him. Look at him. Look at him sitting there. What's he saying? My cousin at that time
was having considerable difficulty with algebra and had a tutor.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Wait, hold on, chat. Feynman's cooking.
My cousin at that time, who was 3 years older, was in high school and was having considerable difficulty with algebra and had a tutor, Chem. And I was allowed to sit in the corner while the tutor would try to teach my cousin algebra. And so problems like 2x plus, I said to my cousin that, I said, what are you trying to do? You know, I hear him talking about x. He said, well, you know, 2x plus 7 is equal to 15, he said, and you're trying to find out what x is. I said, you mean 4? He says, yeah, but you did it with arithmetic. You have to do it by algebra. And that's why my cousin was never able to do algebra, because he didn't understand how he was supposed to do it. There was no way. I learned algebra, fortunately, by not going to school, by knowing the whole idea was to find out what x was, and it didn't make any difference how you did it. There's no such a thing as you don't do it by arithmetic, you do it by algebra. That was a false thing that they had invented in school so that the children who have to study algebra can all pass it. They had invented a set of rules which, if you followed them without thinking, could produce the answer. Subtract 7 from both sides. If you have a multiplier, divide both sides by the multiplier, and so on. A series of steps by which you could get the answer if you didn't understand what you were trying to do.
Bro, Feynman's him. What are you yapping about? What's this kid yapping about in chat? Feynman was him. Hold on, wait, I didn't read it yet. I was just talking. Feynman was not ordinary. Bro, Feynman was ordinary. He said it. He said he was ordinary, bro. He was like, anyone can become a physicist. Also played the bongos, so there's that. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty sick. R.I.P. I hope they find him. Hope they find him. I couldn't hear the video, and I was kind of distracted when I was reading the subtitles. But essentially, George Phillips, you're him, and you're gonna become a physicist. So I don't know who told you couldn't, but you're him. I mean, he also said he had an IQ. Oh shit! 125 is decently high, bro. The average is like 70. What's up, Chippy? The average IQ is 85, bro. 97.43. It's ironic. I just finished a physics exam, and I'm here to listen. You're listening to more physics. Of course, you're here listening to more physics, because we're talking about George Phillips, and he's him. Bro, I'm wishing you all the luck on your A-level exam in 7 hours, bro. You're gonna conquer that shit. You're him. Believe, Hassan. Believe in yourself. You're him, bro. Your last name is Ali. Do you know who else's last name is Ali? I don't know what the hell this is, but how do you spell his fucking name? Wait, that's not... No, what's going on? Muhammad Ali. George Him Phillips. Bro, you know who else's last name is Phillips? Oh shit, wait, I was thinking Mike Phelps. I don't know whose last name is Phillips, but probably somebody. Bro, you're him. You have Ali. You have that dog in you, bro. Why is this stream not titled Motivational Stream? Yeah. Yeah, bro, you can be a genius. Anyone can be a genius. You might not be a generational genius, but you're gonna be a genius, bro. Chippy, bro, if you were on like 10 minutes, we were watching motivational videos so far. Bro, go back to right when George Phillips sent that message saying that he thinks he can't become a physicist. That's when the stream we became motivational. Because George Phillips is him, Hassan Ali is him. They're all him. They're all gonna do well on everything they do. They just gotta put in the work, and they're gonna get it. Look, bro, do you see this? I don't even have to play this video. You know that video is probably inspirational as shit. Because it's Muhammad Ali. His ass. He was so inspirational. Bro, exactly. In 40 years, I'm gonna be my kid's gonna come home from school. He's gonna be like, Mom, they taught me Phillips law in physics today. I'm gonna be like, Phillips? Who the hell is Phillips? I'm gonna look it up. Phillips law is gonna say George Phillips, world-renowned physicist or engineer who does physics on the side, and he made his law. I don't know what I'm saying, bro. There is some quote that went something roughly along the lines. Yeah, exactly, bro. Talent doesn't exist. Talent is created. Yes, it is hard work all the time, bro. When I played sports, kids would be really good, but they would not be hard workers at all. Like, they would skip practice, skip games, but they would still be really good. Like, if you go back like 5 years, their parents were forcing them to like play games, shoot pucks in the basement, lift all the time, and be like really, really, like, they were hard-nosed, working really hard. They just worked hard a while ago, and now we think that's talent because they don't work hard now. But there's no such thing as talent. There's no such thing as talent, bro. Talent is the product of hard work. Now, bias, that's a little bit different. Like, if you're like the son of a CEO, I mean, come on. Is going to prison correlated with higher physics test score? Huh. It might be. Bro, why is our physics exam not graded yet? The F? Yeah, that happens a lot too. Bro, there's kids that come to my school and they're like, they don't study for their exams and they get like 90s on all their exams. But then we ask them, they're like, oh yeah, I took this course in high school. So it's not that they're talented and like they just understand the shit. They took it in high school, so they put in the work back in the day, and now they're getting the reward for putting in their work back then. It's not that they didn't work hard ever. They worked hard at some point, and you're working hard now just to try to understand it. They would just worked hard previously. So it's just a time discrepancy of when you guys work hard. It's not that they had to work less than you. You just had to work hard at a different time, which is fine. Everyone's on their own time. And if you have to work hard now, then you just work hard now. And that's all you got to do. You've never worked ever and you know everything? Well, I guess Ace Piggy is just him. So there's kind of some exceptions, chat, but ask me anything. But you're just going to Google it. What's the ungoogleable answer? Okay, I'll ask you a question. I'll put it in chat even so that you can solve it. Drew, look at this question that I'm about to ask him. Drew, you know chat can't answer that question. Ace Piggy, answer that question. There's nothing you can do to answer that question. It's unanswerable. Like, I said I forgot. At some point, I'm pretty much anything. Yeah, on God. CA stuff is really spitting facts. Anything else? Trust. When did Christopher Columbus sail to the United States? This is an easy question. If you're from the U.S. I mean, I assume... Well, you say you know everything. Are you majoring in physics? I am. Oh, shit. Wait, did it happen last year? That vibes. I'm majoring in physics. I'm doing a master's in computer science. Where is Jonah from? Jonah Sills is from New York. Oh shit, I'm not supposed to say that. He's supposed to answer that. I met CC at the coast. Yeah, no, I heard Christopher Columbus actually went to community college on the coast. Getting into comp sci at UIUC is hard. I'll show you the... It's, I'm in Granger College of Engineering. But here are the numbers if you want to see. Because you're asking for computer science specifically. What the hell is that? He is not him. What in comp sci you doing? I don't know really. I'm doing machine learning, but I mean, like, you don't really. I mean, I don't really. Wait, hold on. UIUC, CS. You don't really decide like what you're doing until you do your thesis. But I'm doing machine learning, but that's for my PhD. For my master's, I mean, they make you take a plethora of different courses, so it's kind of like universal. Like, you get a bunch of classes here and a bunch of classes there. But I'm trying to focus on machine learning throughout my education. Funny story, Terrence Tao almost failed his qualifying exam for his PhD program because he spent too much time playing Civ 2. Actually, dude, Terrence Tao is him. The centroid was not 0, unfortunately. It's 49 over 103. Well, it's a point, first of all. But it's this is the answer. It's 49 over 103, 49 over 103. I have it memorized. I literally have the answer memorized. I think it was his qualifying exam at least. Yeah, that's crazy. Terrence Tao is him. Wait, oh shit, you're a master's student? Yeah, I'm trying. So, like, it's kind of a long story, but technically, I'm pursuing my master's at the same time as my bachelor's, but I have to get approval by the dean of my school, and like the head of the school and like a whole bunch of people, the head of the department, the head of the master's program, to pursue, like, to formally, because technically you can't pursue your master's degree until after you graduate from your bachelor's, because it's like a secondary degree, it's a higher degree. But I think I'm trying to get them to make an exception so that I can formally start taking my master's before I graduate. But I'm still taking the classes right now for my master's, regardless. So I'm, no matter what, yeah, I'm technically like pursuing my master's degree right now, but I'm not technically like on paper a master's student until I get until I get the exception. Like a 4+1 question mark. I don't know what you're talking about. 4+. Oh. No. I'm gonna do a full master's program. It's a full 32-hour master's program. There is a 4+1 here somewhere. It's graduate academics. The 4+1 is this 5th-year master's program. I'm not doing this. This is like a little bit of a joke. It's really stupid. I don't think I would do this. It's pretty stupid. You don't learn anything. Yeah, you don't learn anything in this one. And I don't think you do thesis as well. Oh no, you do have a thesis. There's a thesis option. Right now I'm planning on finishing my master's and my bachelor's both in 4 years. But I graduate from my bachelor's degree in 3 years. Well, 2 years from now, I think, but 3 years from 2023. Yeah, 2026. Yeah, I graduate. So I started school in 2023. I graduate my bachelor's in 2026, and then I graduate my master's in 2027, and then I'll be able to graduate my PhD maybe 2028 or 2029. My exam is in 23 hours and 43 minutes. Yeah. I'm about to watch a movie and then go to bed because I've been studying all day. However long my stream was from earlier today, plus however long my stream is now, is how long I've been studying. How long will your PhD be? I kind of just answered that, but I'm planning on doing 2 years PhD. But I'm open to more, and I'm also open to less. I don't really care. Yeah, I want to, it's going to get paid for. I'm going to get a full scholarship, so however long, I would be willing to stay for 4 years. My bachelor's degree, I don't have full scholarship right now, so I'm trying not to be here for very long because I don't really want to pay anymore. And my master's degree, I don't have to pay for either. I have discrete math as well in but 2 days. Good luck, bro. Are you studying? What are you guys doing in discrete math? This is the skills list for our exam. This is everything we're doing. Oh shit, my face cam. That's what we're doing in discrete math right now. No, I'm not. Do you need to study or are you chilling? I'm kind of chilling for my exam, but I wanted to study extra to get 100. Markov chains, probability distributions type stuff. Don't know what any of that means. Interesting, they do all that stuff with countability / uncountability. It's so stupid. They don't actually do all this stuff. I don't know what any of this stuff is. And I'm taking the exam tomorrow, and I'm going to do very well. Bro, I don't know how to mod you, Drew, okay? I think I have to go to, like, studio, maybe. Wait, maybe, let me just try to go to chat and see what happens. Where are you? Chippy? Oh, add as moderator? Yo, mods, can we get a poll? Can we get a poll in chat? Should I do this? Wait, can I make a poll? Oh yeah, start a poll. Should I mod Chippy? Okay, wait. Let me word this correctly. Alright. Let the people speak. Chain like a probability state. Yeah, do it. LOL. Please go, please. Jimmy, make your case. Bro. Okay. As the people have spoken, 7 votes, that's it. Chippy's a mod. Chippy's a mod. What does this mean? Can manage block words and... Yeah, I bet. Who said no? Alright, I'm exposing chat. Alright, Chippy's a mod. That's funny. Alright, bro, I'm about to end stream, I'm not gonna lie. Cause I need a dip. I need to go to bed. I'm done. I've been sitting at this desk since 8:37 a.m. First act as a mod, make Ace Piggy mod. Hell no, stop making people mods. I don't think you can even do that. I don't think you can do that. Congrats. Congrats, bro. Congrats, Chippy. Wait, I'm not gonna actually make Ace Piggy a mod, but I want to see what the can manage. Yeah, you can't. Yeah, you can't make people mods. I worked hard for this shit. Skill-based mod making. That's what I do. So whoever has the highest skill, I just make you mod. I'm ending stream. See you guys later. Come tomorrow. I'm gonna stream at 8 a.m. tomorrow, same time, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. I definitely voted no, but I appreciate you, Chippy. GPA-based mods.